Health visitors are highly trained public health experts. They are passionate about promoting healthy life choices and preventing illness. Flying Start health visitors offer an enhanced service which is tailored to the individual needs of the family. Contact with the health visitor begins before baby is born and continues through to 5 years old. During this time, they will monitor baby's growth and development and support families to give their children the best possible start in life.
So what we've been doing with William is the newborn observation, and although William's not a newborn, he's still a baby under 12 weeks old, so we can do it at any point up to 12 weeks. And it just really enables us to have a look at his development, but it also shows mums and dads really as to how clever their baby is right from birth.
Croeso i ffrindiau bach.
Ein pwrpas yw i baratoi y plant i ddechrau ysgol ac yn fwy eu paratoi i fod yn ddysgwyr annibynnol, yn awyddus i archwilio ac arbrofi ac i wneud y cynnydd gorau posib o fewn eu gallu. Mae yna o hyd lawer o weithgareddau llawn hwyl yn y feithrinfa, fel caneuon a storiau rhyngweithiol, chwarae rôl a chwarae stecs, pwyslais hefyd a'r symud corfforol a ffordd iach o fyw.
So we deliver a range of courses for all parents to come to, both mums, dads, we've also our grandparents come.
Flying Start's got loads, especially in the family centres. I always come down for like the family days and stuff like that, and there's loads to do in half terms and holidays. Well, I've already done the nurturing course last year. I thoroughly enjoyed it, so I just basically wanted something as similar as possible to the nurturing course. I'd have redone it if I could have. Best thing about it is that it's a group, so you get to hear everyone else's opinions and sort of tips, and it's nice to know you're not on your own with your kids basically.
Come and Cook is an 8-week course that parents attend. At the end they have a level 1 accreditation from the Lywodraeth Cymru, which is an accredited qualifications in Wales. Parents learn about healthy eating, so we talk about the Eat Well guide.
It's to promote healthy eating and helping cook healthy foods, prepare nice food, and you can take it home then. So you don't have to worry about making supper at night then. So it's lovely.
Speech and language development is important right from birth and can have an impact on learning later in life. The Flying Start Speech and Language Therapy Service provides early input for children who've been identified as being delayed with their talking. We work both with parents to give them strategies to help develop their child's communication on a daily basis, and directly with the child to work on any areas of difficulty that they may be having.
Language and play runs throughout the 17 areas of Carmarthenshire. We help promote early language development through play and social and interaction and communication, rhymes, stories, book sharing, and do messy play with the babies, and sort of brings parents together with the carers, building bonds together really. But the best thing to see is seeing the children develop, is seeing how they progress and how they develop more confidence through the singing, through the playing, and how the parents are with their babies and children, and that's really good for me anyway, that's what I enjoy.